The view from my river lot along the Ohio River somewhere in southern Ohio. My peaceful spot. Check out this tugboat pushing these barges up the river. Yes, indeed. Look how long that thing is. Ooh, boy. Zoom out here. I can barely catch it all in the frame. Pretty cool. Let's zoom in on this tugboat. Oh yeah. Yes indeed, commerce. Commercial commerce up along the Ohio River. As seen from my river lot. That's West Virginia looking on the other side of the river. I'm standing on the Ohio side on my little piece of paradise property. One of these days I gotta put an RV shelter up here and develop this thing more. There's a beautiful piece of land right here. Sure is. I'll zoom around here. There's Chris's place. Greta's son. I'm gonna put a place up there too, but it'll be a while. This lot tears down, steps down. There's the upper part, and I'm standing on the second level. And if you pan around here, you can see the beach down there. Right on down to the Ohio River. Yeah, man. Let's take another look at that tugboat and zoom in on him through the trees here. Putting that wake out. Yep. Loving life, man. Adios.